figure out the answer. Welcome again, guys. So it says the diagram below shows a parallelogram ABCD. So here's a parallelogram, and it says which of the following represent the greatest length. So in this case, you have to look at it and then decide which, in your opinion, you think could be the greatest length.
C. Sir, I think it's C.
Okay.
You can have 2 lengths and it can be longer.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
C, sir.
C. So that's BC. Check out all of them, guys. That was a bit quick.
Sir, somebody said D.
Dog. All right, let us see.
E, E, and C.
Somebody saying it for
us.
Yeah. All right, let's see, guys. So the first one is AB. So this is a short side, right? So it would be AB plus AD, which is these two.
Hello, sir.
Morning. All right, the next one says AB. Let me just kind of color code it so persons can see the different lines. So the next one says AB again, along with CD. So this would be the shortest. Agree? So we can eliminate B. All right, the next one says BC plus AD. Oh, this is what you guys saying, you know. So it would be BC, which is this long one here, and also this long one. So this one look good so far. And then we have BD.
Yeah.
So that's the diagonal, which is here, BD, and then CD. So that's another short side. So yeah, I agree, it's C. You see that, guys?
Yes, sir.
It would be, yeah, it would be C, the orange color. All right, let's look at the next one. Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes,
look at that
sir.
one, guys.
Yes,
and
sir.
what's up with that one? What you think is the answer? All right, thanks so much, Kayla. Kimaya, you're on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that takes one, you know. All right, no problem. All right. Thanks, Jaden. I got that. Aquila, I got that. What about the others? Not responding as yet?
Sir, I'm sending mine right now, sir.
Okay. Not a problem, guys. Thanks, Kelly. Got yours as well. Thanks, Jeremiah. I got yours as well. Nika got yours. Jaquan, I got yours as well. New phone, Jaquan. Where's it, Jaquan?
Good morning, sir.
Morning. I got yours, Barry. Alright, somebody says, sir, I have no idea how to do this one. It's okay, man. It's okay. After I complete this one, you should have a great idea, Anto. Alright, so let me check in the chat, guys, and then we can go through the solution, alright? Kelia, I got yours. Alia, send it to everyone, man. Guys, whenever you're sending in chat, just send it privately. Borrell, I got yours. Nahelia, I got yours. Charlan, I got yours as well. Hope I say you pronounce your name. Kimani Williams, I got yours. And Amelia Plummer. Alright. Kelly Jackson. Oh, yes, you put it 2 place and Anya. Alright, guys. So, how do we approach? So he said, Ferran used the table below to show how many goals he scored compared to how many matches he played in 4 seasons. So what this is, boys would probably like this. This is football stats. Remember, statistics is one of the more realistic topics in maths, right? We can relate to it. I know the girls don't really watch football sometimes, but yeah. So it's the number of matches the player played versus the number of goals scored. So they want us to find out what was the average number of games Ferran played for the first season. Can somebody give me a different name for average?
Mean.
Very good. That's it. So they want you to find the mean. Now, how do we obtain the mean?
Sir.
So you add the numbers and then you divide it
Divide the amount.
One person, guys. One person. All right.
Ian,
Ian, your hand is up. Go ahead, Ian. Let's give Ian the first chance, guys. His hand is up. Go ahead,
okay,
Ian.
so how to find the mean? First, you must add all the numbers, and when you get the answer, you must count the number that you added, and I'm going to divide the amount of number that you counted by the answer.
All right. Kayla, you go ahead now.
Sir, when you're finding the mean or average, you usually just add all the numbers that you have and then divide them by the amount of numbers that you were given.
All right. Very good. But guys, you notice they gave you 2 things: the matches played, and the goals scored. But they asked you for the average of the number of games. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna focus on the number of games. All right. So the number of games would be this: matches played, and it says the first. You have to look for those key terms. The first 3 seasons. So the first 3 seasons would be these 3. Agree?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. 4 seasons he played, but they want the average for the first 3. So you would add 27, 9, and 24. And then divide it by, as you guys said, how many numbers you added. So it's 3 seasons, so we know that we're supposed to divide by 3. All right, so let's find the total of these, and then we can, so we add 9 to, right? So 9 and 7, that's 16 plus 4, that's 20. When we add these three numbers now, it would be 60. And then we divide it by 3. So it would be 60 because we added three numbers. So our answer would be 20 in this case. Everybody agree? Some persons,
sir.
many persons
Yes,
gave it
sir.
that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So guys, if you get a question like that, once you see word average, it means the mean, same as the mean. And you add up all the numbers and divide it by the total number of numbers that you have. Alright. 32 says, in the 5th season, Jade played 36 matches. If the trend continues, how many goals did he score? So let us go back to the table because notice what they say in the 5th season. So you're going to tell them based on the pattern how many goals he is expected to score if he played 36 matches. So you guys can WhatsApp that one to me. How many goals? Let me small it up so you can see everything. How many goals if the pattern continues? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna look at the pattern. And then now you can decide how many you think you would score to continue the pattern. Wait, I think you can get smaller, same way. Because I need you guys to see everything. It's not gonna make you see everything. But study it, guys, and tell me what you think. I want you guys to see the options as well.
Wait. It's going back to the
Yeah.
question.
So see the pattern there. How many goals you think he would score? WhatsApp that one to me also. Thanks, Aquila. Oh, Barry, put the number beside it, all right? Don't just put the answer, but put the answer beside, the number beside. Thanks, Kayla, I got it.
Sir, I'm sending my answer right now in WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, man, just send it. It's fine. All right, let me check the chat in the meantime to see if anybody is in the chat. Or Sakina. Kimani, I see yours. Put the number beside it here, Kimani.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we can know which question you're answering. Same thing with Amelia Plummer. So if it's 32 and you think it's A, you put 32A. If you think it's B, you put 32. All right, Jeremiah, thanks. Wisdom also, thanks. And Jenna Forbes. All right, anyone want to explain this one? No one, I like my students active, guys. Even though we just started. Who is confident enough in their answer and the procedure that you use? Yeah, I realized. Yeah, I saw it in the chat. You want to join later? 6 o'clock. Yeah. Hopefully to sort out by then. Internet problem, guys. Internet problem. Luckily, I'm having this class again later.
Sir,
All right, Kelly, I got yours. Amelia, I got yours. Oh God, you know I didn't understand the question. I was supposed to reply. I'm actually in class, so I didn't understand the question that you said. Can you see what video is the class that my son video is a part of? All right, let's look at it, guys. So what they want us to do is this. They want us to predict the score based on the current pattern. But before we look at the option, guys, we should try to determine the pattern. So it's the number of goals scored versus the number of matches. So he played 27 matches and he scored 18 goals. He then played 9 matches and he scored 6 goals. So these are the numbers that we're going to observe and see if there's a pattern in the number of goals scored per match, or number of matches, how many goals you expected him to score. So we have 27 over 18. When you see it like this, guys, you can know that it's going to be equivalent fractions. Anybody see that? So it's like 27 over 18. Suppose you break down 27 over 18 to its lowest term. So if they give you something like this, just break down the numbers to its lowest term and see if they find a pattern. How can we reduce 27 over 18 to its lowest term?
sir, find the number that.
Divide by 9, that is it. All right, so
You get 3 over 18. No, 3 over 2.
all right, so 3 over 2.
3 over 2, sir. 3 over 2.
All right, let us
For
try
all of them,
9
you
over
get
6.
3 over 2, sir.
Let us try 9 over 6. When you break down that, what you get?
3 over 2.
2.
All right, so do we see a little pattern there?
Yes, sir.
Whenever we have the number of matches played over goals, we get 3 over 2. And we can check it for the others, right? So we have 24 over 16. And we break down that and see. Do we get the same 3 over 2 if we break down 24 over 16?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So that's the pattern then.
So the best I reduce.
So it's
Yeah.
like for every 3 goals, you get 2. For every 3 matches he play, you get 2 goals.
That is it. Every 3 matches played, he's going to score 2 goals. So if he's played a total of, let's go back up to it, 36 matches, how many goals are you expected him to score?
27.
All right, wouldn't you try? Let's try 27. Let's see if 27 makes sense, guys. We can use what? 3? We can use 9 also, right? 9 4s, 36. So that's 4 over 3. What we're supposed to get?
3
Matthew says 28. Let us see if it's 28. We can use 4, right? 4 9s, 36. 7 4 is 28. Here, so we can eliminate these 2 because they don't work out to 3 over 2. Could it be 30? Let's try. We could use 6, right? 6 can go into 30, 6 can go into 36. So that's 6, 6, 36. So that's 6 over 5. So it couldn't be this either. So we are only left with one option. Oh, Matthew, rub it off, Matthew, because it's going to keep coming on for the entire game. Yeah, thanks. What is correct? That would be D. Let us try, guys, if D makes sense. Because we are in an exam, we don't want to assume, say, all right, because we tried them there. Let's see if D actually works. What number?
Excuse me,
Yeah.
sir.
What number? Yeah, man, go ahead.
X.
Sir, is this ability?
What the question?
No, sir. All of this basically is this ability.
Yes, it's mental
Yeah.
ability. All right, so look at it. We divide by 12. You don't feel like ability, this would be 3 and this would be 2. So guys, remember someone says every 3 game he scored 2. I remember somebody said that. I think it was Kayla. That makes sense, you know, Kayla. So you could ask yourself, how many groups of 3s in 36? So you could work it out like this also. How many groups of 3?
12.
That would work out to 12, right? And he's gonna score 2 goals. So that will work out to 24 same way. So there are more than one way. But guys, whenever you see them have it like this, check out if it's equivalent fractions. Alright? They like to put the questions like that. Alright. Let's look at 33. Jude's watch is 25 minutes slow. And Tom's watch is 15 minutes fast. If Tom's watch is presently showing 8:11, what time is Jude's watch presently showing? I like this one. Take your time on this one, guys. Hello?
You'd have to go backwards from Tom's time.
Morning, morning. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm actually in a class. Yeah, I can send it to me. You can WhatsApp me? Yeah, you can WhatsApp me. Because I'm in the mood. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, man. But you couldn't make a comment, you know? Oh, that's nice, you know. Oh, okay, okay. Can't too late, man. We can talk, man. But I know, but that's just one. That's just one. Yes, a total of 3. Yeah. Yeah, man. I can return the call. Yeah.
Okay, my phone.
All right, Jaden.
D, sir.
Somebody
Sir,
said
B.
B. B as in bat.
B.
Yes, sir. B as in bat.
All right.
B.
All right. Somebody.
B, sir.
Somebody
Sir,
for
my answer is
B
B,
first.
sir.
All right.
B as in bat, sir.
Somebody take the floor, please. As in.
Alright, can I do it, sir?
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Okay. When it said Jude's watch is 27 minutes slow and Tom's watch is 50 minutes fast, if Tom's watch is presently showing 8:11 a.m., what time is Jude's watch showing? So, sir, you have to figure out what Jude's time is. So if
Mommy,
Tom's time is 8:11 a.m., that means Jude's watch is 25 minutes behind. So
Excuse me,
you
sir.
No, man. Let her finish, guys, and then you can.
can either use the answers that are given to get your answer, or you can just use the question to get the answer. But since by using the answers is simpler, you can just use the answers. So you said A is 8:36 a.m. Well, you can easily realize that 8:36 a.m. is more than Tom's time, so you could eliminate A. And it said B now, which is 7:56. You'll just have to try that one. You're gonna say 7:56 plus 15, and that is yes. No, no.
Dog.
All right, so you're having a difficulty with your answer, which is B.
No, sir.
Okay.
I'll start. And that is 8:56. That's weird.
But 8:56 is not an option.
Sir,
I think I did
Yeah,
something
Jake one.
like
sir, you can do it as in because Tom's watch is showing 8:11 a.m. and that means it's fast. So you have to subtract 15 from 8:11, which would leave you at 7:56. Then you have to subtract 25 from 7:56, which would give you 7:31 a.m. That's how I got D.
Okay. All right.
Sir.
Anybody else have a different answer and want to explain? Thanks so much.
Sir.
Jake one.
No, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
Sir, mom said B, sir.
B,
Yes, sir.
7:56. Okay. Tell us how you got it. What's the
Sir.
reason behind it?
So I subtracted 11 from 26, sir. From 25, I mean, sir.
Okay. Look a reason it out, guys. Why I think this one
Sir.
is. Yeah, man, go ahead. Anybody have a different response? I want to take the floor.
I'm sorry, there's a mistake at answer B.
Oh, so you don't think it's B again?
No, sir, I think it's B, but it should actually be 7:46.
Oh, you got 7:46. Tell us how you got 7:46. Let us put your option there and see.
First, I should tell him how you get 7:46.
Yeah, go ahead, Matthew. How you got that?
So I subtract 25 from 8:11. 25 minutes from 8:11. And then I got 7:46.
Oh, but guys, I'm thinking to get this, we need the current time. Wouldn't you work out that first and then you take it from there? I notice persons went ahead and take away 25 and so forth. But I will start with the information that they give us. This is what I mean. So you say Jude's watch is 25 minutes slow. So we know that Jude's watch is slow, right? So it's behind the real time. All right, let's see what it gives us. They said Tom watch is 15 minutes fast. And if Tom watch is showing 8:11, what is the real time? Remember, it's not 8:11, it's 15 minutes fast. So that means we have to subtract the 15 minutes because it don't reach that time there. Agree?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. And the person says when it basically take away the 15 minutes, so 5 from 1 you can't. So we know we are going to
So
borrow
get-
1. So it would
So
be
get 7:56.
yes.
Hmm.
So the real time now is 7:56. In our real life, that's at the time, not watch anybody watch showing. This is the actual time. And they say Jude watch is 25 minutes slow.
Yes. No,
So what time is Jude watch showing? Based on that. You have to take away the
7:31.
25.
Sir, 7:31, sir.
Yeah,
But you're gonna take
because
away.
it is
You're
slow.
gonna take away 25 from 7:56, sir.
Yeah, because it's slow, guys. So it gonna show like say it early. When you watch slow, it gonna show like you early when it actually later than the time. So it has to be 7:31. So you have to find the actual time first, because I think that's where the critical thinking
Okay,
comes
sir.
from.
Get it, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I got it.
Yeah. But if you go ahead and find the difference between these two, remember they are showing difference, And I think probably, you understand? So just find the actual time and then you reason it out. That is why I say, guys, just write down the information. So when you write it down, it becomes much easier because you're seeing all the things that they gave you and then know what they ask of you, and you can make your proper assessment. So ensure that everyone has their books and something and you write it down. All right, and do it. Same thing for the exam. You don't have to rush it, guys, because guess what? You have time in the exam. So just ensure that each question you do it correctly. Spend the time, read it. I think the English ones, you probably can speed up a little bit on that because it's normally like fill in the blank or synonym, antonyms, you read a passage. So those are not really, that won't take up much time. Based on when we're doing it in class. Yeah, man, go ahead, Ian.
So saying that it is next week Thursday.
Yeah, we're not hearing.
Is everybody exam next week Thursday?
Yeah, man,
Yes,
you're
it
all
is.
doing the same exam, guys. All right, that's how it works. The same exact exam. That is why I
Yes,
insist
sir.
on everyone
Yes,
doing
sir.
their work
Everybody's doing the
Eh.
same exam at the same
at
time.
the same time. All right, same thing with TXC. It's the same exam doing the entire Caribbean. All right,
Sir,
34.
sir, I got
The answer is A.
sir, I
The
got
answer is
D.
A.
I got D.
For 34,
I
Yes,
got
sir.
D, sir.
A.
explain how you got A, please.
Sir,
Sir,
Timoy
can
was 12 years old 3 years ago. So Timoy was
Hold
12
on,
years
two
old.
person talking, guys, one at a time. One at a time.
Timoy was 12 years old 3 years ago. That means you have to add 3 to 12, which is going to be 15. And then 8 plus 15 is 23. That's how I got 23 years old.
Sir, may Ian explain?
Sir, that's all it as well.
All right, wait, Jeremiah. Ian, go ahead. Ian has his hand up in this one. Go ahead, Ian.
So saying that it says Tommy was 12 years old 3 years ago. So basically saying he now he's 15 because I'm gonna add the 12 by the 3, so he's 15 years old. So he said, how old will he be in 8 years' time? So you're going to add this how old is he now plus the 8 years time. And that will equals to 23.
Okay. Jeremiah, go ahead.
Sir, that's what I did.
Okay,
Sir,
Kelly.
it says he was 12 years old, 12 years old 3 years ago. So then after that, I add 12 years plus 3 years, which is 12 years plus 3 years to get 15. Because I want to know his current age.
Yeah.
Then after that, it says how old will he be in 8 years? So then I added 15 years to the 8 years, then I got 20 years old, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Sir, that's what I did, and I got 23 years old.
All money. About vaccine catching. Guys, give me 1 second here. This is one important call. Yeah, I'm actually in a class. Yeah, man, that's correct. Yeah, correct. No, I don't normally do that. Oh, yeah, man, I am home now because I'm doing an online class. Yeah. But they have, it's a prep class and they have exam term. Alright, go ahead.
Because he's not there.
Yeah. No. Well, we have the photos, like. What are they, guys? Where can I find that? It's 169,949. That's understood. You 1799. Alright. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, man, I will. Yeah, thanks. Alright. Yeah. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. I agree, it's A. Guys, I don't have any internet, so that was slow. So sorry about that. I'm actually using data. And you know, I want to upload the videos and all and go live and all of that. So I called them. So they called me. I had to took that call. Alright. So we are at 36. Alright, what's 34? Oh. We are at 35, yeah.
35, sir.
Excuse me, Ian, do this one, please.
Yeah, man,
please.
go ahead, Ian.
Can I do the
Sir,
next one?
36, I'm talking.
Go ahead, Ian.
4 sisters are all 2 years apart in each age. The total of their age is 28. How old is the oldest sister? C, 10 years old.
Prove it.
Yes.
Sir?
Prove it.
What do you say, sir?
No, I'm
You
saying
said to
prove that
it.
it's 10. You say it's 10. Prove it.
Okay, sir. It says they're saying that all the sisters are 2 years apart. And I said, so the smallest sister, she's 2 years old. I'm gonna continue. And the other sister is 2 years apart, so it's gonna be 4 years old. And the other sister is gonna be 2 years apart again, so it'll be 6 years old. The other sister is gonna be 2 years apart, 8 years old. And the other sister, which is the oldest sister, gonna be 10 years old. So basically they're going up by even numbers.
So you're saying one is 10, one is 8, one is 6, and one is 4, correct?
And
Oh,
4
other one
and
is
2, sir, and 2, sir, 2. You start at 2.
But it's 4 sisters. Where you get the 2?
Oh.
Sir, can I explain it,
Let me
please?
put the 2 first. Wait, man, wait. Give him a chance.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Let's see if this work out. So 2 and this 6, that's 12, that's 30, man.
Sir, my answer is also 10, sir.
Your answer is also 10. Okay.
Sir, I got
Sir,
10.
I thought the same way, sir.
Volunteer
Let
for
me see. Let
30.
me see if I add this wrong. 8 and 2, 10, 6 and 4,
No,
10.
sir, that's 30, sir.
Yeah, that's
That is
30.
30, sir.
But they did
Sir,
told
I
us.
didn't.
But they did told us that the age supposed to be total supposed to be 30. So why would we not use the total as 30? As 28?
Sir,
Because that was given.
Sir, I know what to do that.
Sir,
Sir,
Okay,
it
sir,
did
then
not
sir,
take
say
off the
it's
30.
supposed to
2 then.
be 2.
Okay,
Hmm?
sir, then take off the 2.
That is
Take
it.
off the 2, sir.
That is it. The 2 not supposed to be on it, right? Because it's 4 sisters, so
Sir,
we
I
can't
did not
have 5
include the 2,
ages.
sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I didn't
So
include
this,
2.
yeah. All right. So I agree that this. All right. So we're on to 36 now.
Can I do 36?
All right. Go ahead.
Okay.
Anyone can
12.
volunteer, guys. It doesn't matter who you are. If you're new, you can volunteer just the same. Don't feel intimidated by the others who try all the time. All right. You can, if you want to try one, I encourage that. Because as you say, each person is doing their exam on their own. No one is there for you. You have to do it on your own. All right, go ahead.
12 football teams are playing in a league. Each team played each of the other teams exactly once. How many matches were played in the league? So well, you just know you have to draw out this one since I don't remember how to do it, but that teacher was able to draw it. So you just
Sir.
have to like stick people, right? 12 teams, or 12 sticks.
Okay, so what's the answer for that one? Yeah, work it out and let us know. The others, you can work it out in the meantime, all right?
Sir, I got my answer, sir.
Sir, I got D, sir.
132.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Okay, you can share with us how you got it, please.
Sir, it says 12 football teams are playing in a football league. Each team play the other team once. So like I just said 12. One team plays the other team one time, sir. And if 12 team play the other 12 team once, that would be 12. And multiply 12 times 12 and get 132.
But 12,
No.
12 or
No,
144.
12 times 12 is 144.
I just said it's not correct.
No, I'm not saying it's incorrect. I'm saying 12, 12 would be 144. So I'm not saying your answer, but that part would be correct.
I got 132 as well.
All right, share with
Sir,
us so you got the 132.
Sir,
Because based
sir,
on how
sir,
you
because-
explained, you got 144. So explain how you got 132.
Sir, because 12 teams are playing in a league, and there's 11 other teams. Because if one team is going to play every other team once, that means it's going to be 11. And 12 times 11 is 132. That's how I got 132.
Okay, thanks so much.
So hello, put in the answer yet. I'm working out mine, please.
Okay, you're
Yes, sir.
working
Just
it
give
out.
me a minute while I meet count them now.
Sir, my answer is C11.
One
C.
team will play
11.
My answer is
All
C11.
right,
Yeah.
guys, let me show you something. I understand the reasoning, but did you guys actually write it down and think about it?
Yes, sir. Ian,
What
write
I'm
it
gonna
down,
do.
definitely.
I'm gonna call each of my team and let them.
Sir, may Ian explain, please? I'll
Yeah,
give my
go ahead,
answer.
Ian. Tell us how you got the 8, 11.
Okay, sir. First, I draw a diagram, and at the left side of the diagram, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 teams, up to 12. So next thing, I put the team that is going to play against other teams, like one's going to play against 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to say 2 is going to play against 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 3 is going to play against 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I continue, sir. And that's why I got my. I want to count out how many 12s are there. That's why I got my answer, sir. If you don't
Sir,
understand me, I'm going to send it to you in WhatsApp.
sir, I got 72. Mm-mm.
Oh, you got 72. Share with us.
Sir, I drawed out like 12. Since I can't draw a couple, I just draw 12 little sticks, which is 12 teams. And I let the first team play the other 11, so that would be 11. And since the second team would already play the first, he would actually just play 10. So that would be 10 and 11. So that is 21. And the second team would already play the third team would already play the first and second, so he would play 9 teams. And the fourth would play 7, and so on. You just go on, and then until you finish, you would add them, and I got 72.
All right.
See, Mr. Look in WhatsApp at Ian send the working out to you.
Yeah. All right.
Sir, I got 132.
All right. Thanks so much. All right, guys. Why am I getting? I think it's 66.
Sir, I got 66 as well, sir.
But you didn't share that with us, Jeremiah. What about confidence? Confidence.
Sir, I got
Sir, can please look in WhatsApp.
Doesn't mean my one is right, doing it, guys. It doesn't necessarily mean my one is right.
Sir, can you look in WhatsApp and see Ian's working out, please?
Yeah, and you say you got 11, right?
Yes,
it
sir.
has to be much more than 11. It has to be more than 11 because tell you what, the first set of matches is going to be 11. So you are saying that they didn't play any match after? Look at it this way, guys. So Kayla was on the right part. I'm not sure what she got the 72. I think because she added.
I think I actually counted too much though.
Yeah, you were close. But your method was solid. So A play B, right? That's how it's gonna be.
Yes, sir. A would play B and B.
A play C.
He would already played A, so he'll have to play C.
A play D. A play E.
Sir,
You're gonna play once, not more than once. A play
Not
F.
more than once, and you can't play them each other again.
Yeah, so they're not gonna play again. A play F G. I don't know me type, I don't know me alphabet, you know, guys. I don't know it, you know, help me out. So A
Then
G.
A2.
Then H, right?
A8.
Yeah.
Then AH. Then AI.
You want it all on one side, but unfortunately it didn't. So AI.
So you can just go down and then when you finish you can erase a little bit of.
Yeah. I. Then A play J. I want you guys to see what's happening first. Then JK. And of course AL.
AL. So A played.
Sir, I was saying.
Look here, guys. B already play A, so that match not gonna happen. You're gonna start.
Sure. To make it better, you can just say A would equal to 11.
Yeah. So yeah. So you start at 11, then you go down to 10. Hello? Hello. So B would play D. I just want them to see what's happening. Hello? B play F. And you continue like that. When you reach C, C is not gonna play A. And B is, you see it because it already played these matches. So C is gonna go to D. So each time it's like you're playing one less match. Then you just add, go down. So it will be 10, no 11 first. plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 3 2 1, right? So it's actually 66 when you add it. Guys, you'd have to write it down and kind of observe what is happening first. But that's what I did. Right? So you have AB, then AC, blah 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 blah. AB already play. When I reach B, it already play, right? And it would continue like that. So it's like they're playing one less, but they already played that particular team already. So when you add everything, you'll get 6. Remember 3, 2, 1 to this, right? And that's it. All right. A class of girls walk to the tuck shop in rows of 4. Tash, Anna, Camille, and Dana noticed that they were in the 3rd row from the front and the 7th row from the back. How many students went to the tuck shop?
$28.
What is a row?
Sir, a row that goes across
Okay.
and the column goes down.
Yeah, that is it. Row run from left to right. So rows are like this. So you have row your boot gently down the street. Yeah. So these are
So
rows.
one goes horizontal and one goes vertical.
Sir, it's like I understand at the same time I don't understand.
All right, think about it. So yeah, they put them in rows of 4. Just think about it this way, visualize it. So Tasha, Anna, Camille, and Dana, they are in one row. So they are in the 3rd row. So that means how many rows would be in front of them?
2, sir.
All right. And then they say from the front, they are in the 3rd row. Because I wanted to start visualizing. But from the back, they are in the 7th row. So if you're coming from the back, how many students went to the tuck shop?
Sir, I got A.
So I got A, sir.
28.
Yes, sir.
All right. 4 7s, 28.
I don't understand, sir. Sir, I got A too.
All right, let us see, guys.
No.
I could literally put in some rows and
Sir,
see.
I got 36. I got 30, 21, and then you add 7 more to it, and I got 28.
Oh, you got 28.
I got
All right.
26.
Sir, I times 4 times 7, sir.
I got 36 right here.
All right, guys, did you actually try to write down the information? Because this is something that you can have visually in front of you, right? That's what I want you guys to start doing more, guys. Stop freestyling. It's not about just multiplying, adding. Reason it out. Look how basic I'm going to try and do. So we use the information, right? So we know that it's 4 persons in a row. So you have 4 girls here, 4 here, and then you have these girls, right? Because they say that they are in the 3rd row from the front. So that means this is their row. But they also went on to say they are 7th from the back. So make us see. We're not gonna stop until we can get 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be 5th here, right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Coming from this end. So you put one more.
Yeah, I'm wrong.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 6 from the back. So you add one more. Agree? Let me know,
Yes,
because
sir.
they say from where they are 3rd from the front and 7th from the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So these would be the number of rows. So you can just add the 4 to them here. And then now you see
You
how
the
many
main rule,
fours.
sir.
Then you'll see how many fours you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Somebody had said 36.
I got 36, sir. I was the one that got 36.
Let's check again to ensure that we count it correctly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This makes 7. And then you have 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 36. Guys, that's why I say, please ensure you write down the information. You can present it. When I ask what is a row, you guys tell me it runs across. Visualize it. Mental is not just about doing it in your brain. I've been saying that already, guys. Write down. If they say a triangle, you draw one triangle. If them say a right angle triangle, you draw it. If them say one circle, just visualize it and then you analyze from there, giving the information. Use the information part. All right. So they say that these persons are in one row. So this is the row with Tash, Anna, Camille, and Dana in. Right? And they said they would be 7th. If you're coming from this end, they would be in the 7th row. And you just do it. Alright? So that's 37. So on to 38, guys. On to 38. I really like these questions, though. I appreciate them. Look at 38. You guys, WhatsApp your workout to me. 4 men took 6 days to dig a hole. How long would it take 12 men to dig the same hole, working at the same pace? I like that one. So work it out, guys, in your own. What you think the answer will be?
So someone again?
38. Yeah.
Right, understand.
All right. Thanks so much, Jenna Forbes.
I eat Maggie. Oh, cool.
Thanks, Beth. Wait, there's no number beside it. How am I gonna know which one? Thanks, Kayla.
Welcome.
Thanks, Jaden. Guys, I soon show you how to do this in regular classes. Some of you are not in my regular class, but I will try to post that on YouTube.
Oh, sir, I got my answer. May I explain?
Send it to me first, Ian.
Alright.
I get my answer.
Guys, you know, somebody just sent me a question, just like what we did a while ago. This is so weird. Wait, listen to this question, guys. A PEP student sent me this, right? He said, Emily finished third in a track race where there were no ties. So nobody no tie, all right? There were 3 runners between her and the runner that finished last place. He sent me something else. Wait, 3 runners between her and the last place finisher. Oh, the explanation he must send me. Me don't want an explanation. Alright, listen to the question now, guys. Tell me what you guys think. Emily finished third in a track race where there were no ties. There were 3 runners between her and the runner that finished last place. How many runners took part in the track race? He said his answer is 7, but his teacher is saying a different answer. What you guys think would be that answer?
Sir, how many runners were behind him?
All right, this is what he said. Emily finished third in the track race where there were no ties. There were 3 runners between her and the runner that finished in last place. 3 runners between her and the runner that finished last.
Sir, I think it's 8.
7.
I think it's 8.
8 runners. All right, let us. All right, hold on. Miss will respond. Someone respond. All right, let us do it, guys, together. Because it's a mental bit. It's not one of my students, but yes.
Sir, may I explain first, please? I really
So
want
there's 6 runners.
All right. Let us see. So that person finished third, right? So this is the person that we're talking about. So there should be 3 places between. So I could put D, E, and F. This is not last place. F, G would be last place because see there, we need 3 runners between the last place behind, right? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I agree with the boy. I agree with the boy. He said the teacher said it's 5, but I agree with him. You guys agree? Let me know, guys. Because think about it. The person finished third.
Yes, I agree.
And there should be 3 persons between the person who finished third and the last place. All right, let's see what his teacher explanation was. He said if Emily
7.
Yeah. 7? Yeah. Let us see what the boy said his teacher.
Sir, teacher is saying 5 because of the 2 runners in front of him and the 3 behind him.
Yeah, but they want the total runners. That's what the question asks for. He said how many runners took part. Alright, so let me see what the teacher said. If Emily finished third and there were 3 runners between her and the last place finisher, that means there were 3 runners between Emily and the second place finisher. This implies that there were 5 runners in total. 1 runner who finished first, 3 runners between Emily and the last place finisher. So the total number of runners was 5. I disagree with this though.
More than disagree, sir. That was too little because you have to include the person that came third, so it made it
exactly. 6. So you can't exclude the person.
Sir,
all right,
she said
I
6,
think it's 7.
you could contemplate
That. I did a little. I think it's 7 because if that person finishing third, and they said that 3 persons finish between the last place, that means I would say 7 also. So I agree with you. All right, so on to our business, guys. Guys, I get that all the time. Students, teachers, they send me a lot of questions all the time and ask my opinion. But I would say that I agree with the boy. Ian, you are crying. Go ahead, Ian.
Okay, sir. My answer is 2 days.
All right, explain where you
Because
got it.
first we determine the total total man days required to dig the hole by multiplying the numbers of men of the numbers of days. So basically, you can say 6 times 4 will be 24 man in days. Now next, you must divide the total man days by the number of men in the second scenario to find out how many days it would take for them to dig the same hole. So basically, sir, if you are going to say 24 divided by 12, so that equals 2 days. So that was my answer. The answer is 2 days.
I agree. It's 2 days, guys. Think about it. Some persons put 8 days. Think about it, guys.
Sir, I get 2 days, sir.
Yeah, I know. Many persons got 2 days, but some persons choose 8. Let us reason it out, guys. Just from a work perspective, a reality perspective. If it takes 4 men 6 days to do it, wouldn't it take 12 men less time?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So it couldn't be 8. You could eliminate these right away. It couldn't be any of these, right? It's not going to be equal and it's not going to be take more days. Because remember, the lazy man did it. They say they working at the same rate. And I love how Ian do it. That's how I do it. The total work done was 24. And how many men? 12. You divide by that number. So that would give you 2.
Sir, I sent how I did it, sir.
All right, let me check out Machu. Oh, Machu.
4, sir. Oh, sir, just to make it simple, all you can do is divide 12 by 6, and that equals to 2.
Yeah. Oh, Machu break it down in terms of. All right, Machu kind of did it that way. All right. Yeah, that can work too, Machu. Good job. All right. Oh no, it was it's mental ability. Oh God. All right. My parents said they thought it was grade 4. Guys, this is actually a mental ability, all right, for grade 6. But grade 5 can join if they wish, all right? Not a problem. Because you guys have to do the critical thinking also. And I think that persons who are in grade 5 and you are exposed to this, I personally think you have an advantage. Nana. Guys, why am I something freeze? I'm not seeing the cursor.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. So guys, that will be 2 days. I agree with Ian, right? All right. So let's move on. We have one more paper to do after this, guys. So probably we can take a little break at 11. But we have 2 questions to finish on this, and then we start the next one. All right?
So what time of class over?
We don't have a time, guys. We don't have a time. We're just gonna work. A joke. When we finish that paper, then all right?
We're going to do 2 papers.
Yeah. One more after this. Remember, we started this and we didn't finish because you guys were tired.
Yes, sir, because you said
Sir, what time are you supposed to come? What time are you supposed to come?
No, we're not taking the break now. 11 we take it. Probably we can complete it at 11. But you know, I never rush my students. Never. All right, 39. There are 25 runners competing in a race. The number of runners who finished ahead of Paula was 1/3, and the number of runners who finished after her. What? 1/3, and the number of runners who finished after her. In what place did Paula finish? I don't even understand this, because I think they missed out something. Let me read it again, guys. There are 25 runners competing in a race. The number of runners who finished ahead of Paula was 1/3, and the number of runners who finished after her. Oh, I guess they're saying 1/3 finished before her and 1/3 finished after her.
Sure, you'd have to find 1/3 of 25 first. Well, 24 because you have to exclude her.
Yeah.
And that means 8 runners finished before her.
But
Sir,
something
that would be
here-
8, sir.
But look, if 8 runners finish before her, 24 would it would be 16 that finish behind her. I'm thinking something is missing, you know. I'm wondering if they meant to put another
Excuse me, sir.
fraction. Hmm?
Sir, I just wanted to ask, was there class yesterday?
No, there
No,
wasn't.
on Wednesday. It was on Wednesday. Yeah, it
Sir,
was supposed to be 2 days, guys. I noticed persons login because my email told me, but you're not supposed to log
Yes,
in yesterday.
sir, I log in. It was me.
Yeah, it wasn't you alone. I think it was 6 persons.
Me too, sir.
Okay, yeah. Guys, I think something is off with this. But let me read it and tell
Excuse me, sir.
you.
What time is class over?
We just talk about it. We don't have a time, guys. You're gonna complete the paper and then we finish. Alright? We have 45 minutes scheduled class. If we finish in that, then it's fine. But if we're not, we just continue. Alright? But I really want us to complete the paper. And that one is the latest paper that was done.
sir. Sir, I think I actually understand that now.
Alright, go ahead. Tell us what you think of this.
Well, when it said that 1/3 of the number of persons who finished after her, that means like the persons that finished, you have to be 1/3 of the first of 24. That means like 8 persons finished after her.
Alright.
Usually,
So let us test the theory. So let us say you have 7 front of her. No, it would be 8, right? So 8, so that
Yes,
means
sir.
she finished at 9 position, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. And 8 would be behind her, sir.
Are they saying that 1/3 finished behind her? No, they say ahead of her.
No, sir. It's saying that 1/3
Oh, they
finished
saying how
ahead
many
of her
finish
and
up? Oh, me
behind her
understand, guys. We just see this something. It correct. The question correct.
is behind and after, and it's
Yeah, they did.
before
They are
and
not
after her
saying.
too.
Hold on, let me tell you where I went wrong. I was thinking that they are saying 1/3 finish behind her, because I know that wouldn't be possible. That's not what they're saying. They are saying if she finish 1/3, how many athletes finish behind her? No, them say in what place did Paula finish? No.
9, sir. She finished 9 because if 1/3, the person who
I'm
finished the
thinking,
number from us finished ahead of her is 1/3 of the numbers who finished after.
there were 25 runners competing in a race. The number of runners who finished ahead of Paula was 1/3 the number who finished after her. Oh, yeah. I understand the question now, guys. So they are not saying that she finished 1/3. They are saying that the number of runners who finished ahead of her was 1/3 of the runners who finished behind her. So those who finished behind her, when you find 1/3, that's position she finished. So let me see now. Let us say she finished 17th. So out of 17, that means 16 people there ahead of her. And then this go down to 25. So that's at 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in total, we just say, if she finish 17, in a total, we just say 8 persons finish behind her. So, and then, but it would be half, 16. 16 will be half, man. Couldn't be 17. Because remember, you know, they say, the number of runners who finish ahead of her was 1/3. 8 is not 1/3 of 16. So make we explore this one.
Start this.
So make we explore 9. If she finish 9th, that means 8 persons
Sir,
finish
4
ahead,
is
right?
1/3 of 16.
Yeah. So 9th, that means 8 persons finish ahead, right? And from 25 take away 9. What's the number for that?
16. 16, sir.
16.
So why am I still getting the same number? That's so weird.
Look. Sure, 8 and 9. 8 and 9 is 17. And 6 behind that.
I'm not 16.
So I think like 16 would
It's
be,
nice.
would be too much, sir.
Mute this.
Screenshot this. Take a screenshot. Let's do that.
All right, guys. So we decided that it couldn't be 17, but 7. I think this one is the correct answer, and this is the reasoning. So if that person, what was it, Paula? If Paula finished 7th, that means 6 persons would be ahead of her, right? And it also means that to get to 25, 18 persons would be behind her. So if you add these, you get 24. So her position is this. This is the 7th position. This is not 7. This is just 7th position. So this is 1 person. So this is the order. 6 persons finish ahead. She's at 7th position. And then this is the 18 persons that is behind her. So we can check. 6 is actually 1/3 of 18. So if we find 1/3 of 18, we get 6. So we think that there was a little error with the typing. So, all right.
Maybe we just made a mistake, sir.
No, 6 is 1/3 of 18. Why may I do this one? Yeah, so if you find 1/3 of 18, you get 6. Or you can put 6 over 18 and you get 1/3. Whichever way you look at it, this makes sense. But 6 is 1/3, and that's the only way to get that answer. All right, there was a little error with it. It should have been 7th and not 17th. All right, 40, and then we switch to the next paper. If 20 holes are 4 meters apart, no, if 12 poles are 4 meters apart, what is the distance in meters between the first and the 12th pole?
48 meters.
That's everyone's initial thought. So could we do the poles?
So 48 meters.
No, sir. I think it's actually 44. Yeah, 44.
I think it's more.
Did you multiply 12 times 4?
It's not saying, guys, it's between. So the first one, you have to go so to reach 4 first. I gave that Anna City and Giz paper. It was 5 poles and the distance was, I think was 5 meters apart. So guys, remember the first one. Not to put the 12 poles because I want you guys to see what I'm saying. I don't just want to talk. I don't think it's 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for each one, you're gonna have 4 between it, correct? So you have 4 here. And next one, you have 4 here.
Sir, 40, sir, 40. 40.
I think it's more than 40.
Sir, I got 44.
I think it's 44.
1, 2, 3.
So the one less
5,
because
6, 7, 8,
from
9, 10, 11.
to get to the first one, you have to do a 4, right? So you don't start counting immediately. It's from 1 to 1. So ensure that you have the 12 and check it for yourself, guys. These are things that I say you should do, right? Write them down. What's wrong if you write the 12 poles? Absolutely nothing. Let's check to see if the poles are correct. 1,
It's
2,
11,
3, 4,
11.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Sir, my answer
11,
is 44, sir.
12. That is it. How many 4s are there? 1, 2,
4,
3,
sir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
44 is
4.
I would say 44. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So my answer?
What you got? 44 also?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome.
4. Yes, 44.
Alright, so you guys can see my screen? What you
Yes,
see?
sir.
So why did you just jump to 18, so you can go back from number 1?
Well, we need the math part of it.
No, no.
No, sir, I want to see the top part. The top part is very nice to do.
Yeah, but the thing is, guys, we're focusing on see how we can maximize the marks.
21.
Those ones are very nice because you guys generally
7, 11,
get correct.
I do this one. Sir, may you do this one, please?
Alright,
Can
go
I
ahead.
do
Yeah.
22?
So guys, we're probably gonna go
Okay.
by
Sir, you're continuously adding 4.
Alright. Let us
Yeah,
see.
you will get 23.
But I was supposed to explain.
So you add 4, add 4. Yeah.
But I was supposed to
Every time you add
explain.
4 to this, it will do what? 23?
Sir, B.
That's
B,
why
ma'am,
it's
sir.
23, sir.
B, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, may Ian do
Sir, B,
22
sir,
then?
B.
Alright. So Ian,
Sir, may Ian do 22 then?
go ahead, Ian. Guys, let's allow Ian to do this one. 4 cells are marked on the grid below. The location of 3 of these cells are given in the key. Use the grid and key provided to answer item 22. Go ahead, Ian. And then Kimani, you want to go next?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I
Alright,
scroll
so
down to the
Kimani
question,
will do
please?
23.
Sir, it's C4.
No man, don't call it out, Juvine. That's not nice.
Oh, yeah.
Allow him to do.
Sir,
Let him
can
figure
scroll
it
down
out.
to the question, please?
Eh?
Can scroll down to the question, please?
Alright. It says, what is a cell?
What is the cell location of them? Sir, the answer. Sir, can I go back up to the table? Sir, the answer is C4.
Yeah.
A.
Yeah, I agree with him, sir. It was
Yeah,
like
because
A.
there's notice they put the letter first
A.
in all of them, right? So it's C4.
Yes, sir.
So
Can I
it's
do
C,
24?
and then
And
that.
somebody else did 23.
Alright, Kimani, go ahead now. Let me put Kimani on the first. That's a new person. I like when the new persons them try it, guys. I don't just want us alone. Alright, so Kimani, figure out that pattern. Let me small it up so you can see the options.
I didn't get my phone and I don't even know.
Let us know when you're ready.
Sir, must I start reading now?
Yeah, man, when you're ready, waiting on you.
Examine the patterns below. Use it to answer item 23. Which of the following correctly replace the
Asterisk. Yeah, that's the asterisk.
asterisk?
Sir, I got my answer, sir.
Wait, Jeremiah. Just Kimani.
Sir, I got my answer as well, sir.
Same here, sir.
All right. You can WhatsApp me.
Sir, I got
guys.
my answer, sir.
Go ahead, Kimani.
The answer is B, sir.
B. All right. Do we agree that it's B or we disagree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So what is happening? It's like this go up there.
It's a
So
pattern, sir.
Sir, the number on the left goes to the top, and the number on the right, I'm taking the number that just went on the top. Huh?
yeah. So this now
Sir, it's
will
going
go
in
to
like
the
a
top,
triangle.
and then
Sir, it's B, right?
hold on. B. Look at it, guys.
It's B, sir.
You're
Sir,
saying
it's
that
B.
circle
Sir, it's
go up
B,
here, so
not
right?
A.
Circle go up here,
Sir,
so
it's B.
that means the art is
B.
Sir, it's moving. Each of the
B,
objects
sir.
are moving two
Oh, I
at a
see.
time.
I B for it. I see the art
It's
there, yeah,
moving
and
triangle,
behind
but it's also kind of like a circle, sir. So when the heart moves up, the diamond takes the heart spot, and then when the heart moves down, the diamond takes the upper spot, and then when it goes back all over again, the heart goes back. The heart goes back right where it was in the beginning.
Okay, so what's your answer?
B.
Okay, all right. So we all agree that it's B. Because big up this so everybody can see. This is an actual paper, guys. You notice the actual
Yes,
paper is actually easier than the practice paper.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's the 20. I was sure of that.
Go ahead, Kayla.
Oh, yes, sir. I forgot about that.
All right, change your mind. If you change your mind,
No,
somebody.
sir,
Oh.
that
Sir, I
is
get my answer, sir.
Sir, it's
All right,
48.
Kimani. WhatsApp it to me. You have my number, Kimani. See my number there on the screen.
Yes, sir.
549-2161. You can just WhatsApp it to that.
Sir, it's 48, sir.
Yeah, it's 48.
All right, but guys, we don't do it like that. We not just call out answer. We don't run our class like that.
Oh, sorry.
Closing the
The number,
rectangle. Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
the number is less than 50, the number is greater than 30, and the number is a multiple of 3, and 4,
No,
the
it
digit,
is.
the digit 3, 6, 9 are not in the digit. Not digits in the number.
Because less than 50, so we can eliminate this. This is what I want you guys to approach. The number is greater than 20, so we eliminate 19. We know greater than and less than. We know that, right? All right. The number is a multiple of 3. No, both of them are multiples of 3, correct? 36 is a multiple of 3. 48 is also a multiple of 3. So I'll go down to the last one. They said the digit 3, 6, and 9 are not. So that means
Answer C.
Yeah, correct.
Sir,
Yeah, man. Yeah, go on. You want to do this one? Go ahead.
Can I
25 you want to do, right?
Sir, I was going to explain how I got my answer for 24, but
Okay, because someone already did, right? Sorry, I didn't know. I thought you wanted to do 25. You don't want to take on 25? That's what I thought you wanted to do. Don't be afraid, man. Take it on.
everybody can try.
Sir, I got my answer for 25, sir.
All right. So, Kimani, you want to explain what you got?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
Sir, it is doing the pattern. So it starts from square, which is 5. Then you move on to the circle, which is 2. Then triangles 1. So that is not in the option. So we must move on to 5, 4, sir, which is A.
So you're saying it's A. All right. So the possible numbers with the triangle, with the square is 5 and 7. But that's what these mean, guys. The circle, it can be either one of these representing the circle. So it says, examine the three shapes below. Each shape represents its own unique set of digits. Use them to answer item 25. So it can be, the circle can be 2, 4, 6, 8. The triangle can be 1 or 3. The square can be 5 or 7. So you can look at the options, right? For the circle, we have this. It can be 2, 4, 6, and 8. While this one now can only be 1 or 3. Now, based on the numbers, we can say that there is a 7, right? There is a 5 and 7. So we can eliminate this one because 8 are for the circle. So you see, the number starts with either 5 or 7. The second digit now can only be 2, 4, 6, or 8 because the circle represents these. So this is our odd number. So we can eliminate this because the second digit are 3. So it can't be this. So it's either this or this. And then the last digit can either be a 1 or a 3. Now this is an even number. So we can eliminate this. So it would be this, which is 541. Alright. So I agree. It's A. So my number there, guys, as I went in, I'm putting my number. Those who want to join the class.
Sir, can I do 26?
Go ahead. Yeah, man, you can.
Ron is thinking of a number that is more than 899 but less than 997. Which of the following numbers could Ron be thinking of? A, 898, B, 890, C, 990, D, 999.
What's your answer and why?
C, sir.
C,
Because
990. Alright.
Because
Alright, so the number must be more than 899. 899 is the highest number in 800, right? So we can eliminate these. Anything in a 800, make no sense because it's not greater. Alright, but it must be less than 997. Now 999 is the greatest. So yeah, I agree. Everybody agree with that one?
Oh, yes, sir, we do.
yes, sir.
We all do, sir.
Who want to volunteer for this? Somebody who have never, apart from Kimani and Kayla, those persons do the most. Somebody who have never yet tried. You want to take it on? Don't be afraid, guys. We encourage students
Sir, can I
to try.
do 28? Sir, I want to do 28.
What about Chenille?
Okay, sir. So as you can see, one house is $150 and one apartment is $300. So it's asking which of the following is true. Okay, so two houses is the same as one apartment. Two houses is the same as two apartments. One house is the same as two apartments, and one house is the same as one apartment. My answer is A. Two houses is the same as one apartment because $150 plus $150 would give you $300, and one apartment is $300. So it's A.
Very good. Guys, you don't need to add to that. She said it perfectly, right? 150 plus
Yes,
150 would give you the
Yes, sir.
And it would
So
take
can I please do 28?
Yeah, man. Robinson, you are 28.
Sir.
Kimaya, not Kimaya Brown. You are the person who said, right? I call her Robinson. Sorry, it's Kimaya. You are the only person, Kimaya. Go ahead. I make error when I say Robinson.
Read the information below about our family members. Use it to answer items 28. Yannick is 22 years old. Yannick is half of Kevin's age. Kevin is 4 times older than Lee. Gavin is 6 years older than Lee. Who is the youngest member in the family?
Sir, can I answer? Can I answer?
No, man, the same
explain.
person
So it's a-
answer, guys. And then we say if we agree or disagree. So keep your answer in mind, and then you can object if you say the wrong, in your opinion, the wrong answer.
Got my answer, sir.
All right, Kimani. But hold it until Kimaya give us her and hers, and then we can see if we agree or we disagree.
Sir, I say B.
B, Lee. So Lee are the youngest. Do we agree that is Lee?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
Why Jeremiah?
sir. What did she say?
Lee, B.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. I agree. He's 11 years old.
All right, Jeremiah, why you disagree?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
No,
Sir, can I
you
explain?
You have to.
Sir.
You have. What would be your answer then? You can't just say we
Yannick.
disagree alone.
Yannick is 22 and Lee is 11, so Yannick is older than
Yeah,
Lee.
so Yannick at 22, that was given.
And Kevin is 44.
Yannick is half of Kevin's age. That means you double
Kevin is
Yannick age again.
Kevin is 44, sir.
Yeah.
And
They say Kevin is 4 times older than Lee. So what
Lee is
times,
11, sir.
what times 4 can give you?
Sir,
11.
11. And they say Gavin
And
is 6 years older. So that means
So
Gavin is
Gavin
7.
is 17.
It's correct. Good job, Kimoya. Good job.
sir, so Lee is the answer.
Yeah. Somebody had said they want to explain, but because, yeah, we kind of went off and forget about it.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Who wants to take on this one? Nobody
Can I
volunteer?
do it?
All right, go ahead, Taylor.
Okay. Okay. So I said, observe the 3 balance scale below. Use them to answer item 29. And well, the first one, you have the rectangular is striped one is heavier, well, look lighter than the other one, which is the square. And in the third scale, it looks like the square, which looks like brick, is larger, is a bit heavier than the rectangular. So you can like go over everything else since I can.
All right, hold on.
I want to this morning. Yeah.
Alright, and it said in the next scale, it looks like it looks like a brick wall is heavier than the other one. So I said which object is the heaviest? So you can scroll down so I can see the rest of the options.
Okay.
I got my answer, sir.
All right, thanks.
It's supposed to be D. Yes.
D as in dog?
Yes, sir, because if the black one over there is heavier than the other one, that means that the rectangular is lighter than the square, which he was measured with, and if the brick one right there is heavier than the other one, that means that he might be lighter than the black one.
So this is the heaviest. It makes sense, right? Everybody agree? Because this is way heavier than this. And this is almost the same weight, if it's not the same weight. So we can eliminate, and this is way heavier than this. You see that? When it down like this, it means that this is heavier. All right? So yeah, the blackest one are the heaviest. All right, the diagram below shows who wants to do this one. Kimani, go ahead.
The diagram below shows a container to fill.
Anya, you want to do the next one? I think Anya had her hand up also.
With 2 liters.
All right. So
Yes,
Anya,
sir.
you do the 31, all right?
Sir, may Ian do 32?
Yeah.
The
Go
diagram
ahead
below
now,
shows
Kimani.
The diagram below shows a container to be filled with 2 liters of water. Use it to answer item 30. In each of the following options, each container holds the same amount of water as the container above. Which of the following will likely fill the container with water exactly to 2-liter mark?
No, allow him now, guys. That's why his
Sister.
person's volunteer.
That's rude.
Sister, because the first container of C has half and the other container has half. So if you throw the first container into the other container, sir, it will equal to 2 liters.
Yeah. So this is about a liter. This is like 3/4, right? So it couldn't be this. These are way too small, basically. Don't you guys agree? Because if you do it about here, so. And this now, if you put this over here, so about here.
So this charge is gonna be a quarter now.
Yeah. So it's half an hour.
And D is going to be more than 2 liters.
Yeah. This is gonna go over. Because when I throw in this, look on a little space here. About here, so it'll take a little. So I agree. Alright. Who is the person for 31?
And okay.
Alright, get ready, Ian. And then Shen.
No, not
and
Ian,
then
sir.
Anya.
No,
One to
sir,
Anya.
it's not
No, Anya, me say?
I'm up to 32.
Anya, yeah. Guys, forgive me. Anya, go ahead. She's not there?
So I got my answer.
Let me see if Anya fell off, guys.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Can I answer 31?
Yeah, because I think
the answer would be D, sir.
No, man, we don't do it so. You have to read it first. Remember, you have other students in the class, you know, so we have to cater for everyone.
Yeah.
We don't just sit there
Children.
alone. Read it and tell us why. The why is the most important.
The children, if children are standing in ascending order based on their weight, which of the following could represent Anne's weight? It would be 28.2 because it couldn't be 28.9 because it's more than Sarah. That means Anne would have been in front of Sarah. So it could not be C, and it could not be B, it could not be B, and it could not be A. So D would have been left alone. So D would be the answer.
Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Of course.
I think
Yes,
so.
sir.
Right? So guys, you see, Anya, come on back now. Oh Lord.
Do
31 is going to.
Sir, man, it's
Next one is going to be Ian. But look at it, guys. The 3 children are shown below. Tom weighs 27.9 kilogram and Sarah weighs 28.6 kilogram. Use information to answer item 31. The children are standing in ascending order based on their weight. Which are the following? And weight. As he said, this is too heavy. This is too big because it exceeds Sarah weight, right? Anything in a 29. And of course, we have 0.6, so 0.9 is greater. So the only one that would fall between 27.9 would be 28.2 and 0.6. All right, so I agree. All right, Ian, you're up next for this one. Wait, let me small it up a bit because I think I want you guys to see all the options.
Okay, sir. On day 2.
Hold on, you're not reading the heading, guys. That's not how we do it, man. The diagram
below shows the route taken by a plane on one day. It also shows the plane average speed and scheduled departure time. And its schedule arrives on day 1. Use the diagram to answer item 32.
That is it.
On day 2, the same plane leaves the same place and travel along the routine. It traveled in a greater speed, but at the same destination. What time it will represent likely to arrive time of the plane day 2 on day 2.
Alright, so let's see the options now.
Okay, sir, by looking at diagram, it say he left Kingston Normally International Airport at 3:30. It's traveling 760 kilometers per hour. I end up reaching Miami, Florida at 5.
Did they say Miami, Florida too? Yeah, Maria Taylor. Did they say Miami, guys? We don't know if it's Miami. Alright.
Sir, I know because I know how.
Oh, you know the Miami map. Alright, go ahead. You go yourself.
Okay, so it says travel at greater speed, but at the same time, which represent likely to arrive at day 2. So I'll say 4:45 because look, it departed 3:30. So and they're saying that it's going to go, the speed's going to get greater. And after day 2, at 7, by looking at the table, it's traveling 760 kilometers per hour. I reached at Miami 5:00 p.m. So I would say 4:55, 4:45. So it reached 15 minutes earlier.
Yeah.
Sir?
I agree. No, man, I agree. Think about it,
I
guys.
agree, sir. No, I agree,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, because the plane is going faster, same distance, same everything. That means if it's going faster, it must arrive earlier. It couldn't reach 3:30 because that's what the departure time. It couldn't reach in 1 second or 1 minute. So it can reach 5 o'clock or this because this would be later. If it's going slower, then it would be this. But definitely, I agree. All right, good job.
Yes, sir.
I didn't know that was Miami. Big up yourself. I learned something.
So, so can I do like which number that again?
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, do United States.
Yeah.
Mute. Let me mute, guys. Unmute the person who wants to talk, because I don't want YouTube to tell me to take it off. If any music in your background, guys, YouTube will say take it over also.
Copyright, sir.
Yeah. We don't have the sense to know that it's just probably a car passing or so.
Sir, isn't somebody going to do it?
Who is doing this one?
Sir, me, sir.
All right, go ahead, Jeremiah.
No, sir, it was somebody else asked, but somebody else.
Okay, sir, give this somebody else a chance, sir.
Since somebody else asked before,
But the
but
person
they
did
didn't
not.
get to do it.
I didn't know someone asked because we are here waiting on that
Who
person.
was that person?
Yes, sir. Somebody
Who
asked,
was
but
that
they didn't
somebody
get
else?
to. They didn't get to do their say. So
Anya, we had we wanted Anya to do it, but Anya had fell off, so I don't know if she's back.
Sir.
I think she fell off again.
Me, sir.
Somebody will
Sir.
have to volunteer for it.
Sir, look. It looks like she's gone.
Yeah.
Sir, can I?
Me, sir, please.
Sir,
Let's
Me,
see.
sir, please.
All right, go ahead,
Me,
Jeremiah.
sir.
Let Jeremiah go, guys. Because like he had said, when I thought no one was volunteer, he was the first one. So go ahead, Jeremiah.
Somebody
The
can
table
do the other
shows
thing.
the make and color of cars in stock at the car dealership. Use the. Sir, what is that word? I didn't answer.
Oh, I don't know. It's a use. I guess the table.
So dealer use
The
I
table.
think probably the
it
table.
too. Sir, it's used it too.
Use it. to answer items 33 and 34.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it said.
They're referring to the table.
Make of cars, Honda, Toyota. Sir?
Yeah,
Subaru,
man. You have the floor.
Mazda. So the colors are red, white, and black. So, sir, my answer is Toyota. The reason why, cause for the red, Honda has the most, but for the white, sir, for the white, sir, I can't answer to Mazda, sir.
Mazda.
No, sir, Toyota.
Sir,
But,
Toyota, sir.
what would that be the approach though?
Sir, you'd have to add them
Sir,
to
you have
get
to
the
add
total.
everything.
Yeah, you
And
would add them.
Toyota's
You
is
would add them by the
22.
row. Add how many Toyota Honda make, how many Toyota make, how many
22,
Subaru
sir.
make, how many Mazda make. That's how you're gonna know, you know. It's not the color you're focusing on, it's the type of car. So Honda,
The
how
total.
many did Honda make? How many cars Toyota made? How many Subaru made? And how many Mazda made?
Sir, look in the chat.
Alright,
Sir,
so
Toyota, because if you add everything, the answer would be 22.
Yeah.
oh, Anya is back. Alright. So guys, we're gonna give Anya the next one. Unfortunately, this one went. So 8 and 5, that's what? 13?
17.
So this would be 17.
The next one will
5
be
and that's
22.
22. That's a large number. 7 and
Then
6,
20, then
13 plus
18.
5, 18.
Then 21.
16 and that 21. So you were actually correct the first time. It was Toyota.
Okay, fine.
But you have to add them based on that. Alright, so Anya is gonna get 34. She's back, guys. Anya, go ahead.
A buyer buys a black car. What are the chances that the make of the car is a
Subaru.
Subaru or Toyota?
Yeah, Subaru or Toyota. So hopefully you can see everything. I want you guys to see everything. Let me just come back. Is it certain, impossible, likely, unlikely? Go ahead, Anya. Look at it and then you decide.
I say my answer is C, likely.
Likely, okay. Alright. Do we agree that it's likely, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Alright, so first we got black car, right? And this is Subaru. So Subaru have a total of 5 black cars. Because this is black. Alright. Toyota now. How many Toyota made? So out of a total, we can add the total, you know, and say 4 and 5, 9, 10. So out of 20, we have 10 possible chances. So that's 50%. So I would say it's very likely. It's not certain because it's not 100%, right? But you have half chance, so it's likely. Good job, good job. Somebody named Kelia, you had your hand up. You want to do this one? Hope I pronounce the name right. Kelia, you're there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. I saw your hand was up. I want everyone to have a fair opportunity, guys. Go ahead.
The pie chart below shows the sports preferred by 160 grade 6 students at a school. Use it to answer items 35 to 37. Sir, I can scroll on to the question, please.
Yeah, man, definitely, definitely.
Sport is preferred by the grade 6 students. B, tennis.
Yeah, that was quick. Good job. Guys, you see the one we did pie chart. We know pie chart back and front, right? We can do pie chart from scratch. For those who were in the class. That's a very good thing. So this is the smallest one, right? So that would be the least. So guys, look for the keywords because that's the most, the least, fewer. Don't just rush your thing. Take your time. We have time, guys. See that? It's just 7 past and we're gonna finish about 20 past 11. All right, you guys are awesome. I'm so confident for you guys. 36. Juvain, go ahead, Juvain. Your hand is up.
Which two sports are preferred by more than half of the grade 6 students? Sir, can you scroll up?
Yeah, I will. So which two sports preferred? Which two sports preferred by more than half? Remember, they give you a combination, you know, so you still have to go back down. Remember, they give you in combination, so it's not just any two they want. Yeah, they give you a.
Sir, can I see the options?
Yeah, so this one is kind of. So, hold on. Me have an idea, guys. Not put small it up. So we have. So you can see everything all at once. Yeah, that is better.
Sir, it would be football and track and field.
Football,
I
track
think
and
so too.
I agree. Think
Because
about
football
it,
is
guys.
basically almost
If
a
you draw a
physical
line
sport.
right here and form a semicircle, right?
Have the most.
Yeah. And not because of the most. We have to, the question say more than half. So if you should cut it in two, this is a semicircle. And see,
Sir,
we still have some more
sir,
here. So that two,
You,
that
you
is
have
more than
to
half.
believe, sir.
Sir, may you answer something, please?
Yeah, man, go ahead, yeah.
Sir, the way I understand it, I don't think anybody will believe me, sir. I was saying that sometime with ability, I just imagine and get the question correct, sir. I imagine.
Imagine
that
what?
not being
That you're in the situation.
Oh, that you mean? Yeah, that makes
Yes, sir.
sense.
Just imagine the tennis, netball, and cricket. They don't exist. Just focusing on the football and track and field. So when I
But Ian, yeah, we can't say it don't exist, right? You mean you use elimination process, right? That's what you mean.
Yes, sir. But
Oh,
sometimes I
yeah,
imagine.
that's good, man. That's good. We
It's
like
like
that.
pretending that
But
you
you
don't
say it don't
see.
exist. I was saying that, like, you're thinking that in real life nobody play. Because in Jamaica, people are the big, don't they? I don't know if other schools play, but I don't even see the plays at my school.
They don't really do that thing again.
And guys, you notice kids don't even play anymore. It's just on tablet. Yeah, I don't even
Yes.
understand where the world
Oh,
goes.
everyone. But sir, the one thing that is basically almost always there is swimming, track and field, and football.
Yeah, especially football.
primary
Football
school.
is very popular. And
And
athletics.
only mostly in primary schools though.
Yeah, we are the best in running. I don't care what nobody say. Kamaya
Second
Brown,
defensive.
37.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, man.
Thank
Kamaya Brown,
you,
you're
sir.
up.
So you're going to need it. You should have to see the top part to answer that one.
Oh, but because I didn't hear she read, that's why I didn't go up there, because I was waiting for her to read and then we go scroll up.
Oh.
Sir, she left.
She gone? Oh, Lord. So you know what that means? Somebody have to chip in.
Sir, what did you say?
Somebody have to chip in. Meaning somebody have to substitute her if she's fell off.
Well, I ain't doing it since I did a lot of them. So.
Anybody, any volunteer? Kimani. Go ahead, Kimani Williams.
Bam.
The number of students who prefer netball is 2 times the number of students who prefer tennis. How many students prefer tennis?
All right. Which two of them are compare again? Tennis and what?
Netballs.
Oh, netball. Okay. All right. Oh, you think you need the general total 160 students. Guys, I'm going to put my number because people always say, why me don't put the number? So who want to reach me can reach me on that number here. 549-2161. Alright, we need to go back down, Kimani.
Yes, sir.
Alright, it says sports preferred by 160 grade 6 students. Let's go. The number of students who prefer netball is 3 times the number of students who prefer tennis. How many students prefer tennis?
Sir, can you explain?
Kimani, you are supposed to answer. You're on the floor now.
Sir, can you please go back?
Okay. Kimani don't want to do it anymore?
No, sir. I don't understand, sir.
Okay. Alright, Matthew, take over. Go ahead.
Sir, can you go back down now?
Alright, no problem.
Sir, I would say sir,
Yeah, man, we're listening.
say 10.
Why 10? Explain. Remember, this is a Y class, right? We don't just normally just say answer and then that's it. We normally say, oh, you got the answer. Anyone want to take it on?
Can I do it?
Yeah, man, go ahead, Kayla. Walk us
Okay.
through.
So, sir, my answer is 10. How many get 10 again? Oh, yeah. Alright, so it said that the number is. So it means that, like, I wish I was doing tennis and netball. Okay.
Yeah,
So it
tennis
means
and
like
netball.
tennis and netball, you could see that it would maybe equal to 40 since you're in a right angle section right here. So since all of that should be 40, you'd say that if tennis is a little bit and netball is a larger amount, so you could say that tennis plus the netball equals 40. So that means that tennis might be 10, since it said that netball is 3 times tennis. So tennis is 10.
That is exactly it, guys. Because remember, they gave us 160. So it would be a quarter of 160 because it's a right angle triangle. How many degrees in a circle, guys? We discussed that so many times.
360
degrees.
So
Yes.
360 degrees, sir.
So if it's 90, it means that it amounts for a quarter. Well, we kind of put it the wrong way. It's supposed to be 90 upon the 360. So the 90 degrees account for a quarter of it. So all we had to do was just find a quarter of the total, which is 160. All right, so we find a quarter of 160. 4 into 1, you can't 4 into 60, that's 40. So we have 40 for share between them, but they told us that netball is 3 times whatever tennis is. So 10 would be 3 times. So 10 and then that would be 30 because 30 is 3 times 10. All right, so that would be correct.
Mr.
Yeah, man, go ahead, Jeremiah.
My mother is asking what time class is over because she has to go on the road.
No, man, you can go. We have 3 more to go. It's being recorded. We have 3 more to go.
What time?
So sister, you just want to know what time.
Okay, okay. All right. Not a problem, man. But we have 3 more. Any volunteers?
Yes, sir, me, sir.
Yeah. All right, go ahead, Jeremiah.
It says there are 60 animals on the farm. Cows, goats, and chickens. There are 15 chickens and there are 3 more goats and cows. How many cows are on the farm? Okay, so sir?
Yeah, man, we're hearing.
So first, it says there are 15 chickens. So you're going to take away 60 from 15. Then after that, I get 45, sir.
Okay.
So 45 left, sir. So then after that, it says there are 3 more goats than cows. So you're going to take away 3 from 45. Huh? Yes, mommy?
I'm going to run out and leave you. I'm going to send blocks for you. I send blocks for you. I soon come back.
Come to work?
Yeah. So I'm going to send blocks for you.
To come to work? I don't want to come to work.
Hold on. You're going to take the timetable and something and put them in your bag. Okay?
Okay, man.
So where's the phone?
The phone?
I'm going to send the answers to sir.
Yes, man.
I'm going to send, I have the charges. I'm going to send for you here.
All right.
Okay, ma'am. That was something.
Yeah.
He's gonna come back, guys. He's not gone. In the meantime, what you guys can do, try to figure out the answer. So then we can give our opinion.
Sir, the answer.
Sir, the answer is 42, sir.
All right. So when you subtract, you get 42.
Yes, sir.
What's next?
Sir, nothing, sir.
Huh?
You finished there? Think about it. You're on the right path, in my opinion. You calculated the total.
Sir,
This 45 represent what? The number of what?
Cows and chickens.
Cows and goats.
Yeah.
So it couldn't be 42.
Sir, then you're going to figure which of those numbers, and you add 3 to that number, and if you add those 2 numbers that you get, you would get 42.
45.
That's what you would have to do.
Yeah. So what's the answer? I think he got distracted because he was on the right path. So after you get your 42, you divide it by 2, right? So that means this represents the lower one. And he said that the cow, there are 3 more goats than cows. So that means so there are 3 more goats than cows. So that means that these are the goats, right? Because there are more goats. But what did they ask you for? What the question asked you?
How many cows are on? How many cows are on the farm?
Yeah. So are we not agreeing that it will be 21?
21.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. If they had asked for goats, it would have been 24.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. I think because his mom was talking to him, he got distracted and just said, "Oh, when you subtract, if you get 42." But he was on the right path. Good job. Can we only have 2 more. Anya. Oh, you are getting a chance. Who else want to go?
The one that fell off?
Sir, Ian.
Go ahead, Ian, for 39.
Okay, sir. It says for item 39, there is a question followed by two statements. Read the statement carefully to see if they provide enough information to help you answer the question. How many students in grade 6 are members of the Brownie? Statement 1. All girls in grade 6 are members of the Brownie Club. More than half of the girls in grade 6. A. Statement 1 alone is enough to answer the question. No, because they only said all girls in grade 6 are in Brownie Club. They didn't specify how much girls are in grade 6.
How many?
Statement
Yeah,
2.
how many? Because it's something that you can count. We say how many instead of how much. All right, continue.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Statement 2 alone is enough to answer the question, but it said more than half of the students in grade 6 are girls. But they want to know how many students are in grade 6. So you can divide that number by 2, but there's no number there. Next, C. Both statements together are enough to answer the question. No, because they didn't say how many students are in grade 6 or how many girls are there. Statement B. Both statements together are not enough to answer the question. So the answer is statement B.
Correct.
All right. Guys, I'm getting a something right. It says that today at 3 p.m. I'm gonna post it in the chat. You can go on another something for region 4. Don't know what region is that. But I'm gonna post this to our chat. Somebody just sent it to me.
Chat.
There's a free class. Alright.
The one for the government.
Sir,
Yeah, and what's the answer?
So I said, but answer D as in dog.
Oh, both statements together are not enough. Okay, because you need
Yes,
to
sir,
know.
because you're going to need a number to work with.
This is the last one for today, guys.
I need all the numbers. All number of students in grade 6.
Who want to do this one?
Me.
I think this one is
What's
going to
your
be a
name?
problem because we cannot.
Sure, that's simple. You don't really need, that's not even a problem. I'm telling you, sir, that is not even.
Alright, this is the last one, guys. So we go 5 minutes over the time that we projected, but it's fine.
Who's supposed to do this one?
Someone said it's nothing.
Ronaldo.
In the basket, guys. Can I see it? So guess what?
So you can do. No, sir, I want to be. That is too simple, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's not simple. We're not seeing what's in the basket.
Sir, you don't need to see what is in the basket.
Sir, I get my answer. May I share it?
Because the answer is 10. Yeah, that's 10.
So I get my answer. May Ian share it?
Yeah, man. Go ahead, Ian.
Okay, sir. It's one day. Jenny bought one bag of groceries and earned 4 points. So this bag is equal to 4 points. Day 2, Jenny bought 3 baskets and earned the same number of points for bag 1 of groceries she bought on day 1 alone with 2 more points. So they have 3 baskets. And what is this? Oh, the same grocery from top 1. So we know that
so this is actually equivalent to this. All right, so guys,
yes, sir.
I realize.
I see.
Yeah, this is actually this. All right.
So the top one is 4, then
Yes,
next
sir.
one is 6.
So we all know that bag is equal to 4 points. So 4 plus 2 points, that equal to 6 in all. So so these 6 baskets is equal to 6 points. No, she bought 1 trolley of groceries and earned the same number of points she have earned if she bought 5 baskets of groceries on day 2. So this is a trolley, and this is 3. So as we said, 3 of this is equal to 4, sir. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, so the answer is 10.
Everybody
Yes, sir,
agree?
it is. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody have a
That's
different
okay.
explanation like
Yes,
what you
sir.
did last
Yes,
year?
sir. I have a different explanation.
All right, go ahead.
Yes. So when you said the top point, the bag of groceries equals 4 points, then the next one equals 6 points with the 3 bags, the 3, I don't know what is that, but anyways, baskets of groceries. And when day 3, a trolley of groceries equals 5 baskets of groceries. So that means that one of the baskets would equals 2 points. So if you add all of them, you'll get 10.
Okay.
That's
I'm
basically
not gonna
it.
even check it, guys. I believe in you guys. So guys, we have come to the end. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Yeah, I really enjoyed the classes. I think they were really good. Hope you guys, I'm gonna definitely send this video as soon
Excuse me, sir.
as possible as it upload. I need to do that right now. As we end it, that's my priority to upload it. Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, there were 33. Sir, there were 33 students and now there are 24
Yeah, because
by the end
everyone's
of
going. Yeah. So guys,
Okay,
I
bye,
know they
sir.
are pretty tired because it's close to 3 hours we've been on, so they need their rest and support. But I will say recording,
Say give
alright?
them a good amount of time to come on class. You give them 9 o'clock. They literally, if they got up like 7, they got a good hour of resting without doing no work.
Yeah, but that's not.
Wake up
Remember, you're
5.
constantly working overtime. You know. I realize you're a very hard worker, Kayla, but not everyone has reached that level. So some persons after 1 hour they get really tired. You see, the more you work, the more resistance you build to work. You see,
Yeah, true.
the more
Say
you
because
study, that is for you.
So the only reason I feel so simple and rested because I didn't do nothing yesterday. Simple and body did everything. Only thing I
Okay,
did was
nice, nice.
sleep. And because the
Guys,
other day after.
take care, guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you guys soon.
Bye, sir.
Yes.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Next
See you
week,
guys
sir.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All
Sir.
right. Bye, guys.
Bye.
You guys are
Bye,
awesome.
sir.
You got this, guys. Just relax and do your thing. All right. We'll have regular class, so we'll do more papers and stuff. So I'm not worried.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. So take care.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.